Huzur, to keep our progeny deeply attached with Khilafat, what steps can we take or adopt?
See, I have spoken on this subject repeatedly during my Jummah. Khilafat is the center of the entire world. Khilafat is the sign of Tawheed Bari Ta'ala, because Khilafat is bestowed upon Ahmediyya, so we can keep the entire world together under one hand. And this is what the rest of the Muslims are missing. This is a sign of Ahmediyyat truth, because Khilafat is mentioned in the Holy Quran, that Khilafat will be granted to pious people. Muttaqeen will be bestowed, Khilafat will be bestowed upon those who are God-fearing and those who do not make a shirk of Allah, who do not call partners to Allah. So it is a strange thing that repeatedly non-Ahmadis have tried to establish some sort of Khilafat among themselves, but they can't do it. Maximum, it is the Khilafat of one country, for instance. Afghanistan, they are called Amir al-Mu'mineen, as if he was a Khalifa. But Afghanistan is divided itself. So not even in one country you find a single Khilafat. But Ahmadiyyat is found in more than 152, maybe 160 countries of the world, and they all attached to Khilafat. So I think it's a great sign of Ahmadiyyat's truth. If you count even those who are single Ahmadis or 2, 3 Ahmadis, and they is not regular Jamaat, still they are attached to Khilafat. In this way, I think Khilafat can be found in 90 countries or above. Great sign of Ahmadiyyat's truth.